ever been so lost, so much it makes you didn't know what you want? Or have you ever been so mad that all things around you make your mind blown away? I told you you were not alone, I've been down that road before. You gotta pull up yourself and look up, don't you know? To fly high you have to learn to fall. Put your arms around my way, I'm gonna leave you high to reach the sky. Open up your eyes and see. Oh. Have you ever been so lost, so much it makes you didn't know what you want? Or have you ever been so mad that all things around you make your mind blown away? I told ya you were not alone, I've been down that road before. You gotta pull up yourself and look up, don't you know? To fly up high you have to learn to fall. Put your arms around my way, I'm gonna leave you high to reach the sky. Open up your eyes and see.
For the next song. Go! All right. I bought a sandwich for my baby. It nearly killed her. Man, it was crazy. It wasn't poisoned. It wasn't dicey. Just really spicy. It had some smoked ham and some bologna and some salami and pepperoni. It had some chili sauce and some Tabasco and jalapenos. What a fiasco! Hey, I almost killed my baby with a sandwich, dumped lower than a crawdad in a deep ditch. I almost killed my baby with a sandwich, but she's feeling much better now. I said she's feeling much better now. Sorry, honey. I didn't plan it, I didn't spike it, I didn't mean to, I thought she liked it. It made her nose run, it made her eyes bleed, it made her tongue burn, it made her knock-kneed, it made her mouth explode, it made her scream and shout, it made her stamp her foot and shake it all about. She said it burns like hell, only it's hotter. So she did a little dance and then she drank a little